I'm sure you all are surprised why Amrita is behind the mic. Why this podcasting channel? What is the need? Because many of you already know that I'm doing pretty well as a healer, as a coach, as a mentor to my community. Then ये सब की क्या ज़रूरत है? Exactly the same question even I asked myself. जब भी ये calling काफ़ी strong होने लगी कि I want to come up with a podcasting channel, and the question was क्यों करना है? When I'm already having this busy life, कहाँ से time निकालने वाली हूँ? But then there was also one voice which was telling me that you have created this life simply because you lost almost everything, and from that you created what you're living today. But there are so many people who have exactly gone through this pain to power journey, and their story, their journey needs to be known. And after shooting multiple episodes of keeping this theme pain to power, I have realized that with every episode, I am changing as a person. Every episode is making me look at my life in a different way, which did not happen as a healer, as a coach, as a mentor to so many people. You know, you also want, when you're always and always inspiring so many people, you're supposed to be, or you are expected to be at peak of your every stage of life because thousands of people are watching you. But you also think that even I want some inspiration from real people. They need not be some big known celebrities, because what are celebrities? It's us who create them. So my every guest in the podcast is a huge celebrity, because what they have created is something that we all need to learn and recreate in our life. My only aim with this podcasting channel is, if you are listening to each and every episode, the way it has changed me as a person, it is changing you also as a person. If you are going through something really, really difficult, you're giving up on life, that one episode should change your way of looking your problems. As a mentor to thousands of students in our community, I'm expected to give all the time, and I do it with all my heart. I love what I do. But if I want to grow as a person, then I just have to surrender and become a student again. So this podcast is my way of becoming student and learning something new through every guest that comes and honors our podcasting platform. So here's my way of showing how growth looks like.